Good afternoon, children. In chapter 1, resources, this is our next topic, conservation of resources. Okay, now what is the meaning of conservation of resources? Conservation means we have to protect our resources. We have to protect our natural resources. We have to save our natural resources. In definition, we can say that using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called conservation of resources. Okay, so efficient use of resources with minimal wastage will help us to conserve our resources. Okay, so we can conserve resources by limiting their use, recycling and reusing them, minimizing their wastage, educating people how to conserve available resources. So we can conserve resources by recycling, reusing and reducing. Okay, now our next topic is sustainable development. Sustainable development means we have to conserve resources, we have to sustain these resources so that future generation can use these resources. In definition form, we can say that balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future generation is called sustainable development. We have to take care especially for non-renewable resources as once used they get exhausted, otherwise also they take almost thousands of years to be regenerate. Okay, so how we can conserve, how we can sustain this development? We must follow certain rules to save our resources for depletions. Okay, first is that all renewable resources should be used in sustainable manner. Next, depletion of natural resources should be minimized. Next, varied species of living organisms, various species of living organisms should be conserved and natural environment should not be harmed. Communities should be enabled and encouraged to take care for the environment. Okay, children, in these topics we have got understand conservation of resources and sustainable development, right? So conservation and sustainable development both are synonyms of each other. Okay, to meet the demands of the growing population, we should use the available resources wisely, and developing resources without damaging the environment is known as sustainable development. Okay, so